Hey, this is JD and FIA. I'm going to show you a few different 2-5-1s you could do in the key of B flat. Alright, nice jazzy sound. And I'll give you several different options that you can do with it. Alright, so we're in the key of B flat. Alright, B flat major scale. And first thing we want to look at is the 2-5-1 chord progression. So if I take a regular 2-5-1 chord progression in the key of B flat, starting off on B flat, C being my 2, so I'm going to play a C minor chord, C minor 7 normally, and then I'm going to go to my F7, alright, then to my B flat major 7 or B flat major 7, alright. Now in this progression we're going to do the same 2, well we're going to use the 2, alright, so we're going to play our C minor or a variation of a C minor chord, alright, and then instead of going to the 5, alright, we're going to use the concept of a tritone substitution. Alright, what a tritone substitution is, first off, a tritone is the interval of 3 whole steps between the notes. So if my 5 is supposed to be F, the 5 in B flat, and if I was to go up 3 whole steps, so that's 1, 2, 3, that's going to put me on B. And F and B are what you'll call tritones. Alright, you have several tritones of the piano. Alright. This tritone, however, without going deep, is F and B. Alright, so what that means is anytime I'm playing an F chord, the dominant chord, the 5 chord in B flat, instead of playing the F7, alright, like I think I played it like this, I could play the tritone way and play that as a 7th chord. So I could play a B7, alright? So I will be using a tritone substitution. And instead of playing the 5 chord as an F, I'm going to be playing it as a B7 chord. Alright, so let me give you the chords. First chord, alright, in its rarest form, alright, we're playing this chord here. Now, without going deep, I'm just going to give you the notes for it. All right, it's a C on the left hand. Right hand, I'm playing a D flat, E flat, A flat. This is the sound we're going for. All right, so that's my 2. All right, my 5, we're going to be playing a B7 chord or a B9 once we add the D flat there, or a C sharp, but we're going to call it D flat. So with my left hand, I have B, just a half step down from C. Right hand, I'm playing A, C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat, and F sharp or G flat. And I do want you to notice we have a tritone, interval of a tritone in that chord. Alright? Then we're gonna go to our 1 chord, our major 7 chord. Left hand, I'm playing the B flat. Right hand, I'm playing the A, and then C, D, and F. Alright, so all together. Now, I have options with my major 7 chord here. Alright, if I don't want to, or if I want to play a different sound, I could play the 13. And so what I'm going to do is, instead of playing the A, C, D, and F, I'm going to play the G, C, D, and F. Let me let you hear that. Alright. I can also play, I can add the A and play the major 7 and also play the 13. And I have this sound. So I'm playing the G and the A with my thumb. Alright, so far we have the coming here, or coming there, or adding the A with your thumb. Now, if I wanted to make it a minor chord, my B major 7, I can play a minor chord. You're going to want to play this chord here. I'm playing the B flat in my left hand. Right hand, I'm playing the G C, D flat, and F. Let me let you hear that. Very nice chords. Now, what this comes from, if I want to look at the full chord, I'm going to open it up. So now, in my left hand, I'm playing C and B flat. Right hand, I'm playing the D flat, E flat, and the A, same chord. I'm just adding the B flat on the left hand. Alright, then I'm going to come down and play same chords with my the B7 chord. And I don't know if I told you, but I'm playing the A and the B with my thumb, with the D flat, E flat, and G flat. Alright, and then I'm going to come to my major 7 chord, keep it simple. Alright, so alright, one more thing you can do. So I'm walking up. Left hand, I'm saying C and B flat, G, A flat, and then playing the B, because my right hand's going to be playing the A right there. So I'm playing, alright, and then I'm playing F, G flat, B flat, alright, and I'm letting my right hand take care of that chord. So we have the real slow. I'm sorry. So, all together. And just in case you were wondering what this chord is now, since I have it out, we have the 7th, and then we have the flat 9, D flat. So we have C7, flat 9, minor 3rd, the A flat there will be a flat 13. So it's a C minor 7, flat 13. Alright. So all together we have